Alright, 3 minutes to size up your endpoint security like a pro. I'm running a risk-to-action playbook, spot the biggest risks, map them to quick wins, and leave you with a tight checklist. Step 1. Define the blast radius. What counts as an endpoint for you? Laptops, servers, VMs, mobile devices, kiosks, POS, OT workstations. Rank them by impact and exposure. If it can touch sensitive data or the internet, it's high risk. Step 2. Inventory and visibility. I ask one question. Can I see every endpoint in real time? IT, EDR, MDM, identity. If numbers don't match, you've got blind spots. Action. Deploy lightweight discovery. Auto-enroll new devices and tag owners. Step 3. Baseline controls. Do endpoints have EDR or NGAV? Is the agent alive, updating, and reporting? I sample 10% of devices. Check agent version, last check-in, policy applied. Anything stale is risk. Action. Enforce tamper protection, auto-remediation, and rollback. Step 4. Hardening. Are CIS baselines applied by role, dev, finance, privileged admins? I verify disk encryption, firewall on, USB policy, application control, PowerShell logging. Action. Close admin rights, enable least privilege, and just-in-time elevation. Step 5. Patching. Look at OS, browser, and third-party apps. What percent are within 14 days for criticals? If it's under 95%, that's a risk. Action. Ring-based updates, auto-reboot windows, and fast-track internet-facing laptops. Step 6. Identity and access. Strong MFA everywhere, especially device unlock and admin actions. Check device compliance tied to access. No compliance, no data. Action. Conditional access with device risk signals from your EDR. Step 7. Data protection. Is sensitive data discoverable and labeled? Can you block copy-paste, printing, or upload to personal cloud on risky devices? Action. DLP policies with exceptions for business apps. Audit first, then block. Step 8. Mobile and BYOD. Separate work and personal with app protection policies. No management, no access. Action. Enforce device attestation and OS version minimums. Step 9. Detection and response. Are alerts routed to humans 24/7? Do you have playbooks for ransomware, credential theft, and data exfil? Action. Test one scenario a month. Measure time to detect, contain, and recover. Metrics that matter. Coverage. Percent of endpoints with healthy EDR and encryption. Patch velocity. Median days to critical patch. Exposure. Count of endpoints with admin users. Control drift. Devices out of policy by business unit. MTTD, MTTR for endpoint incidents. Gap to roadmap. Week 1, fix inventory, auto-enroll, kill stale agents. Week 2-3, enforce baselines, least privilege and MFA. Week 4, raise patch SLOs, and roll DLP audit. Ongoing, monthly playbooks, and drift reviews. Your quick checklist, see everything, harden by role, patch fast, verify identity, protect data, and practice response. If you can't measure it, you can't secure it. So start with visibility, and the wins will stack up fast.